Hey everyone! Ever wondered if there's a simple, cost-free way to elevate your skincare routine? Well, guess what? Washing your face with cold water might just be the game changer you need. First up, let's talk about waking up with puffy eyes. Cold water's got your back. Its vasoconstricting properties help reduce that puffiness and those under-eye bags in no time. Say goodbye to looking tired. Next, let's dive into cold water stimulates blood flow, which means a healthier, more radiant complexion. It's like giving your face a mini workout every morning. Who doesn't want that fresh, glowing skin? Now let's chat about, we've all been there, wishing for smoother, tighter skin. Cold water temporarily tightens your pores, giving you that smooth, even look. It's like a natural, instant filter. And if you're looking for a quick pick-me-up, cold water is. Whether it's first thing in the morning or after a workout, it's the perfect way to wake up your skin and feel invigorated. Seriously, you have to try it. So let's recap those benefits. Reduced puffiness, improved circulation, tighter pores, and a refreshing boost of energy. All from a splash of cold water. Why not join the cold water challenge? Try washing your face with cold water for a week and share your results. Use the hashtag #ColdWaterChallenge and let's see those glowing transformations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome skincare tips. See you in the next video. Stay radiant.